Changing playback speed on YouTube TV is a great way to watch content faster or slower, depending on your preference. You can speed up replays, slow down tutorials, or catch up on shows more efficiently. Here's how to adjust playback speed on different devices. Start by opening YouTube TV on your phone, computer, or smart TV. Choose any DVR recording, on-demand video, or YouTube video inside the YouTube TV app. Playback speed is not available for most live channels. While the video is playing, tap or click on the screen to bring up the player controls. Look for the Settings, Gear, icon. On mobile devices, it appears in the top right. On the web, it shows at the bottom of the video player. Inside the Settings menu, select Playback speed. You'll see several options like 0.25x, very slow, 0.5x, slow, normal 1.25, 1.5x, 2x, double speed. Choose the speed you prefer. The video will adjust instantly without stopping playback. This feature works best for DVR recordings, saved shows, and on-demand content. If you don't see playback speed, update your app or try using a web browser instead. If this helped you, like the video and subscribe for more helpful YouTube TV guides.